skin girl.
Best thing in the world.
I never trade you for anybody else.
Skin girl. Like pearl.
Right cheek, please don't give me hype. I'm hype. Left cheek, right cheek, write my name in ice. Real ass, real ass, real ass, real ass. Got this shit from Tina. I was
Hey beauties, it's Nikea here, and I have a special video for you all today. So I've seen Ellery do this on her channel with her daughter Yoshi, and I was like, why not do this with Harper? So today I am going to be turning Harper into me. I'm going to get this makeup look, this head wrap, this shirt, which you all have previously seen when I was getting ready for our photo shoot. So we did a mother-daughter birthday shoot because we share the same birthday. So I decided to do this really, I tried to be as colorful as possible because I know she likes to have fun colors, and I used purples, that's her favorite color. But yeah, I'm gonna get Harper in here. But before you do that, if you haven't already, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button. Once you do that, that bell notification button's gonna pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. Alright y'all, let's get Harper.
Now we back.
Alright, we're about to turn Harper into me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Alright, we need to clean your face.
Oh, my face is not moisturized.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I like turning to mommy when I was a baby. Good, I like looking at myself, but it does. That's crazy.
Alright, so I'm just taking a little micellar water. Make sure her face is clean. So you have to face me, pumpkin pie. Sorry. Okay, stay facing me. You get to see yourself when it's all done. So you like wearing makeup?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I like the Elsa and My Little Pony.
I'm not turning you into Elsa or My Little Pony. You know that, right? I'm turning you into mommy. You can open your eyes. I'm turning you into mommy.
Mommy.
Alright, we're going to prime. I'm going to prime with this. This is Wet n Wild water-based primer. I think that's enough. You have a little face. Harper.
Oh, sounds like cocoa.
Yes, it's coconut. Alright, then what I do next is I have this strobe cream from MAC. My friend Jazz gave this to me.
Yeah, I like Jazz.
A little under highlight. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. We're having fun. We're gonna make it do what it do, baby. Just highlight the high points of her face.
I got purple hair now.
Yeah, Harper just about to be shining all within her skin. You see?
Oh yeah, I like this shining.
Okay, cool. Gonna use this Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder in Honeymoon. And I don't think Harper has oily skin, but I'm just doing what I do on my face.
Y'all
see what I have to deal with? Do y'all see? Do y'all see the silliness? Alright. Do you have to do that?
Oh yeah.
And see, you can still see the highlight from within, even though I have this powder up here.
I don't want to look crazy.
You think my eyebrows look crazy?
No. My eyebrows.
No, they're not gonna look crazy. Eyebrows make me nervous. Harper's a little kid. She don't have no shape to her brow. Created.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Is this lipstick on you? On your teeth?
Look at your brows. They look crazy.
Oh my god.
I'm not done yet. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Since Harper doesn't already have a shape to her brows, I like to just go ahead and like draw them, and then I'm going to shape them up with some concealer.
Concealer.
Okay, that looks better.
What?
Look. Oh yeah, honey. Yes, Harper. Slay. Yes, see that's how I do my brows. I just have to get them up there and let them look crazy, and then they just come together. Okay, we are back with a snack. We have finished the brows. Do they look like mine? Okay, so now we can move on to foundation. She got a little more chocolate than her mama. Some setting spray. Close your eyes. It's a little red. It's okay. Look at me.
I look like a Viking now.
Yes, you look like one.
What's wrong with my neck?
Hold your head still. Why are you moving? Hold your head down, regular. Thank you. There you go. Let's conceal. Look like a warrior.
Contour.
You got a big forehead like mommy. Ooh, who's that? Who's that girl?
Harper.
Oh, who is she? Yes, queen.
And mommy.
And mommy.
Yeah, same shirts.
Oh, Harper, look at this makeup. You look like a beauty queen.
I don't.
What do you look like?
Like a big beauty queen.
Harper, you are so freaking cute. You know that? Look at you. You are a doll, okay?
Okay.
You are just beautiful, even without the makeup. You know that? Harper, how old are you now?
4.
Yes, last time you were on my channel, how old were you? You were 3 when you were Elsa, remember? Now you're 4. Look at me, buddy.
Look here.
Look at me, I need to do the other side of your face.
Right here.
No.
Right here.
Yes. Oh my gosh. You're gonna be fired. They don't want to see the back of your head. Harper, look at mommy. You are just a beauty. Look at the camera now. You gonna look at the camera? You look at it when I don't want you to, and you don't look at it when I want you to.
I looked at it.
Yes, just stay like that. Yes, queen, yes. Yes. Say yes.
Yeah.
Harper, how do you already know to open your mouth when you look up? It's just instinct, huh? But you don't need it because you just have an adorable face. This is just so you can look like mommy. Alright, now you can look at the camera.
It is Jackie Nina palette.
No, we are going to use the Jackie Aina palette, not yet.
I like brown, not brown.
You are brown.
No, I got lighter faders put on.
Yes, because you have multiple shades in your skin. Your skin's not just one tone. Let's do a little nose contour, even though you have just the cutest nose. All right, let's set this joint. What are you doing? Okay, relax your face. Look up.
Blocking the camera.
No, I'm not blocking the camera. They can still see you. There you go, look.
I'm the turkey.
You look like a lion. Okay, now for the fun part, it's the eyes. So I use like 3-4 palettes on my eyes. So I'm starting off with the JaLynn Hill palette from Morphe. I'm going into the color Hunt. This color right here.
It's a little brighter.
Because the light is bright, that's all. It's gonna look like mine. You see my eyes? You see all the colors I have? We're gonna go into Jack, which is this color right here. And I need a smaller brush because Harper has small eyes.
No, I don't. I have bigger eyes.
You have big eyes, but you have smaller eyelids than mommy.
No, I don't.
Your eyelids are smaller than mommy's. All right, and I'm gonna put that in the crease right underneath Hunt. I literally just made this look up as I was going. What do you think so far?
I don't know.
You don't know? You tired?
No.
Oh. If you want me to stop, I'll stop, okay? Close your eyes. Okay? I don't want you to be unhappy. Ooh, yes, yes. Ooh, girl, you look like Nikea. Is that your mama?
No, that's me.
You're Nikea?
Hold it.
So we're going to go into Big Wig.
Big wig.
Girl, who is she? Oh my god. All right, look at the camera. What you think?
Good.
It's looking better than mine. And we're gonna go into Sponsored right here. Let me show you.
Sponsor.
Right here. It's like a shift green brown color. Go into the Nikea Tutorials palette by Beauty Babe.
Beauty Babe.
And
That too much.
I'm gonna go into Mr. Tutorial, which is this color right here. It's like a hazel.
We already
green.
done this.
Yeah, close the Jackie palette. Ooh, look at that.
Let me see.
Oh, it's pretty.
Wow.
Alright, let's see. Ooh, Yas, queen.
I like this makeup.
Okay, can I finish? I'm not even done yet. And I'm going into the color Soda Pop.
So pop again?
Soda Pop.
Soda pop.
Yes, and that's gonna go right here.
I need this.
Just in the outer corner. For some drama. Oh gosh, Harper, you moved. We're gonna put some colors on the lower lash line.
I'm in charge.
You're not in charge. I'm in charge.
I'm in charge.
Alright, so we're gonna take a little bit of Hunts. Alright, then we're gonna get a little bit of Big Wig. Alright, let's put some blush on. Toasted Almond.
Toasted almond.
Can you look at me and smile? To do an inner corner highlight. So we're gonna take Trust Issues from the Jackie Aina palette, which is this color right here. Ooh, ooh, we love a shift, don't we, Harper? It gives you gold, it gives you green. All right, now we have to line the top line using a black liner. This is from Elle. All right, going into the JaLynn Hill palette and going into Abyss. I'm gonna put that on top of
Same black.
liner. Yep, this is the same black. And now we got to do your mascara. Look up from Black Radiance 5119. It's a matte lip color.
Comment below.
Do we look like twins?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. That's the finished look. Me and Harper are looking like twins.
Yes. That.
Hey, pretty, you look so cute in your makeup.
My mommy do it.
Your mommy did a good job. You look just like your mommy and like your daddy.
My daddy don't have no makeup.
That's true. Your mommy should put makeup on daddy. Ask mommy to put makeup on daddy.
Those are her natural lashes.
You giving me face, boo. You giving me looks, okay? All of it. Look at that face. Put it on.
No.
Let's call Nene.
It's called Nene.
Beautiful. Oh my god. Y'all taking pictures again?
Yeah, twins.
Brown skin girl. I love it. Y'all, EJ need to take a couple pictures of that.
Look at
That's
this.
yeah, that's a cute picture right here.
Look at
Take some pictures.
she is
Yeah,
posing.
that's
I cannot.
That's honey.
I cannot.
Work it. Yeah, there you go. Work it, girl.
Say, don't gas me, Nene. Don't gas me.
Don't get daddy coming home.
All right, y'all. That is it for today's video. What do you think of our makeup look? Are we twinning or no? All right, that's it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below, click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never
Miss the post.
like I always say,
Free and fun and easy.
it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Free. Say it's free,
Free
it's easy,
is easy
and it's fun.
and it's fun.
Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
No comparison.